JunyTony.
Oh, here it is!
Here's something too.
Oh-ho! Here too! Oh, yes!
This way too!
It's too big. It won't be easy this time. Juny! Tony! We need your help!
JunyTony! Change into a paleontologist! Choopy-choopy-choopy-choo! Time to change! Choopy-choopy-choopy-choo! JunyTony into paleontologists! Let's start with excavation first. Extinct animals and plant fossils are found. Record the location and excavate them. Wrap in a bandage, cover with plaster. Carry them safe. We have found dino fossils. Look, dinosaur. Paleontologists. Find animal traces that don't exist. Paleontologists. Reveal the secrets. Write them on the list. Wow, it's so amazing to see the traces of dinosaurs. And there are more amazing things. Let's find out more about what kind of fossils they are. Remove the plaster cast carefully. Measure the fossils and analyze. Gather the fossils and restore. We brought a dinosaur back. Look, dinosaur. Paleontologists. Find animal traces that don't exist. Paleontologists. Reveal the secrets. Write them on the list. Paleontologists. Into the unknown world billion years ago. Paleontologists. That's what we are about. Paleontologists. Wow!
Thank you, Juny, Tony. We couldn't have restored it without your help.
It really seems like this dinosaur is alive! It does! I wish I could see the actual dinosaur. It'd be really cool! Roar! Dinosaur! It's me! Come on, Juny!